Alright, so pause the CX-9. This works on basically every vehicle. Vehicle won't start, just clicking. Here's how you verify starter repair. Give it some pushes, back and forth in neutral. Reapply it. Also give it a few whacks. If it won't release when you hit it with the crowbar and battery, go ahead onto the back, put it in neutral like I did, and push it back and forth. It should very well start if you do this. Eventually you need to move it maybe about a foot or two when you push it. If not, try it a couple more times. Always make sure your relays are clicking, but if you can actually get this to do right, your car will almost start every single time. See how I did this? Applying my foot on the brake, back up, boom, we have a vehicle that started. Good to go. Remember, like and subscribe. Hope that helps.